Hey everybody, it's Dave from Clean Pro Supply. We're going to discuss the differences between the Water Otter and the Water Hog. So the Water Hog is made by Mytee and the Water Otter comes directly from Pump Tech. They're both going to be 1200 PSI. They're both going to output about the same amount of water flow. Some of the differences will be, of course, in the housing and the add-ons you get with Mytee. And then, some of the benefits of this are the cost savings. So you could go either way. It's really not going to matter, which one is better than the other one. More so, which one is better for your needs and what you're trying to do with it. So if you're going to set this up in your actual trailer or your van, for example, what kind of power do you have? How mobile does it have to be? Does it need to roll around or is it going to stay put? So if it's going to stay put and you're drawing from a drum or a water tank, maybe the Water Otter is a better fit for you because you don't need anything extra. However, if you're wheeling it into a commercial job site or a residential home and you need the water to come with it, or you need the wheels or chemical injection, then this might be a better fit. So which one's better? I can't answer that. They're both great. What's going to be better for you and your setup and your needs, that's going to dictate which direction you go. This one's a little bit more money, but it comes with extra features. This one's a little bit of a cost savings because it's very simple. It's just the pump and the motor, power cord, and fittings. So this one does have a big bonus feature for carpet cleaning because you have your chemical injection if you want to meter in your acid rinse or use a detergent rinse. So this would be totally fine without chemical injection for hard surface cleaning. Generally because the higher pressure you're going, you're just using water to flush and you're just rinsing away, what's there. Aside from that, your power is the same. You've got one cord on each one here, one switch here and switch here. This one has an auto fill to keep your water tank full. This one has an inlet. You can actually place this on top of a drum and it'll actually draw up to 6 feet. It'll self-prime, it'll self-siphon. So you don't necessarily have to have pressure feeding into this with a transfer pump. You can just use it to self-siphon. A transfer pump certainly helps to boost that quicker with like a 45 PSI transfer pump from a tank, but you could just set this on top of a water drum and with a little 3-foot garden hose or 4-foot garden hose, go right down into your drum and it's gonna self-draw. Other than that, if you have any questions, of course, I'm happy to help with any questions you have. Very simple units, very great units. Aside from those features, they're very similar as far as the amount of water pressure they're gonna put out and the job they're gonna perform. It's really just what features do you need extra or what kind of cost savings do you need where you don't need the extra. If you have any questions, reach out anytime. Dave from Clean Pro Supply. Happy to help.